Hey everybody, this is Craig, head instructor at Ottawa Swordplay. I'm just doing a little walkthrough video of what's going on with our renovations while we're closed down right now. So I'm starting outside the building and we're gonna go on inside in just a second. You'll see everything is still a bit of a mess as we are working on things, but you'll get a bit of an idea of how things are changing. So as you come in, to the right is where we're going to have the desk and the store set up. You can see everything is being painted a nice bright yellow, and it's going to brighten up the whole space quite a lot. Marla's here reorganizing our little library of sword fighting books that people can look at. And over here we've got where the benches and stuff like that will be for putting boots and things, and of course the coat rack. Now over here we've set up the change rooms out in the front area, and also we have removed a big section of the sprung floor over on the left hand side of the room. And over here we're going to have sort of a sitting area. The masks will be on that wall. We've got a little bit less storage space than we used to have, but it will be much better organized. And then over here, this doorway didn't used to be here. This was a wall, but we put that in here because where the door used to be, we filled that in. This space will be where we'll have a notice board, and on the other side of that wall is where the door used to be, and we're going to paint that with whiteboard paint so that we can use it as a whiteboard. And this whole area here, it's a little bit hard to recognize, but this used to be the back room where we had the change room set up, and we tore all those walls out and extended the sprung flooring into here. So now the fighting floor area is more of a big rectangle with one corner cut off of it, and it's a much bigger space. The gray boards that we used to hang things on the wall, we have painted red. We're soon going to be putting those back up on the walls, and then you can see we've got several pallets of much better flooring that we're going to lay down over top of the sprung floor to make it work even better. So this is, I'm now with my back to the back doors, and this is what the fighting space will look like. We're also planning on putting sort of a half wall or railing around a lot of the sprung floor just to make a clear division, and the one corner down here will be the entrance area. So yeah, still lots of work to do, but hopefully you can see how much has been done, and we look forward to having people able to come back in here again.